Unveiling History's Mysteries with AI. Have you ever wondered about the unsolved mysteries of today? From the ancient pyramids, enigmatic construction, to Amelia Earhart's mysterious history is filled with puzzles waiting to be unraveled. Embark on exhilarating AI-powered adventure
through history's mysteries.
Our first mystery takes us to sands of Egypt. How were the Great Pyramids built with such precision thousands of years ago? We delve into popular theories and AI-generated reconstructions to uncover possible answers. Perfectly aligned with Orion's stars, constructed with unparalleled precision, and home to mysterious hidden chambers and thermal anomalies. These ancient wonders, potentially built with advanced astronomical and mathematics. Next, we explore the disappearance of Amelia Earhart. Was it a tragic accident, or is there more to the story? Our AI analyzes historical records and theories to shed light on this enduring mystery. Captivating enigma. For more videos, please like, subscribe, and ring the bell icon. Thank you.